Yes, my lovely people, a mother and a father is now weeping and mourning along with their fellow family members. Because them little child who left figure school never returned back home. She's no longer among the land of the living. The parents was greeted with the news when no parents want to hear when them send out them picnic at school and then fi come back home. That are the last news a parents want to hear. That the son or the daughter is no longer among the land of the living. People, let me bring you guys to this story. Student stabbed to death by classmate in Manchester. Akeelia White, a 20-year-old student of the Catholic College of Mandeville in Williamsfield, Manchester, was stabbed to death on Monday morning by a fellow student of the institution. What wrong with them school picnic nowadays? As you say, who dare another school picnic attack another one, or your ear say one pass and gone because you know see how much story me drop about them something here? A 17-year-old boy has been taken in custody with the connection with the dirtings of this 20-year-old female. News team understand that Akeelia was sitting in her classroom shortly before midday when she was attacked and stabbed by her 17-year-old classmate. Really? Deputy Superintendent Kerry Duncan, head of the Manchester Police, told the news team that another 17-year-old student sustained knife wound in the incident and has been hospitalized for treatment. Whoa. According to DSP Duncan, shortly before 12 o'clock, Akeelia and other students were inside their classroom when a dispute arose over a missing phone and money. Now we getting somewhere to see what really transpired. He said that the 17-year-old became angry and ran to the nearby tuck shop. He later returned with a knife and attacked Akeelia, who was stabbed in the chest. What a dangerous piece of boy. And what kind of heart them little youth you have nowadays when now waste no time them must get. Boy, me I tell you, man. The other student was also stabbed when came to her assistant. So when somebody try help this boy and nah, this boy already get rid of two of them. Over what? Phone and money. The news team understand that the boy ran from the institution but was chased and held by concerned citizens in the area. DSP Duncan said the boy is now being questioned by the CID detective. Akeelia mother and a yes on the belly pain start right now, my people. Akeelia mother, Marian White, who struggled to find words following the incident, remember her daughter as being very nice and recalled their last conversation earlier on Monday when Akeelia texted her to inquire whether she was alright and had she eaten. Wow. Imagine that, man. When a youth check up on your pitney, your pitney check up on you, and the next news where you get is that your child is no longer among the land of the living. Lady, me don't know you, but me can come like me can feel your pain, but me just imagine what you go through right now. Me can just imagine. Mommy, you alright? That's way this little girl asks her mother. Mom shared the last WhatsApp message before daughter was dirt. Williamsfield, Manchester, when Marian White received a phone call Monday afternoon that her daughter Akeelia White had been killed The Manchester mother was in disbelief that her child was the latest victim of school-based violence, which has been plaguing the island of recent times. What is going on with these kids? Nobody knows. What is influencing these kids? Where them feel like them need to, and it has start from little primary school. Me I tell you about now, you know. Little primary, go high school, go college, go university. Right, that's how it got you go. What is wrong with these kids nowadays? Why them feel like the easiest way to resolve anything is to take another child's life? It's bad. When me hear about the stabbing at school, I never know it would reach my daughter. The distraughted mother told her cousin, Tanya Anderson, as they stood outside the accident and emergency department at Mandeville Regional Hospital. The mother recalled her last conversation with her daughter via WhatsApp less than an hour before the 20-year-old was fatally stabbed at Catholic College of Mandeville in Williamsfield. Wow! Less than an hour. Your pitney message you, and then the next thing you hear about your pitney is that she is no longer here in this world. I saw her this morning before I left for work, and she texted me about 11 o'clock and said, Mommy, you alright? That was it, the mother said. They just told me that she was in class and the boy just attacked her. So I don't know what happened further from there. She's a kind person, very nice person, jovial, outspoken. She was participating in the 6th farm program. Hospitality. I don't know how I feel right now, the mother said, with teary eyes. Whoa. A day earlier, as the nation celebrate Mother's Day, Akeelia and her sister had surprised their mother. When I come home from work, she and her sister cooked a special dinner for me. When I come home from work, she and her sister cooked a special dinner for me. A fish, chicken and beef, said the mother. White and a 17-year-old boy were among students in a classroom about midday when another teenager used a sharp object to inflict stab wound to White and the boy. The injured students were taken to hospital where White was pronounced you know what and the boy admitted. The suspect, who is also 17, was taken into police custody. Head of the Manchester Police, the Deputy Superintendent Kerry Duncan, said the youngster was taken to court and remanded until June 4. Duncan said detectives are theorizing that a missing cell phone and money are possible motive for the incident. He said the police seized the Durton's weapon, a knife, which the suspect reportedly went for after an initial confrontation with White. The other student who was injured was said to have tried to intervene in the dispute when he was stabbed also. So this boy would have stopped at nothing to get rid of the girl. Political representatives condemned the incident, raising concern over the growing spate of violence in school. Councillor Mario Mitchell, People National Party, Belfield Division, said the incident was shocking. Why, oh boy, I don't know what got with them pitney. As you turn the black, you used to want pitney earth one other pitney in a school. And when there's gonna be an end to these people? When? You mean a mob here? They mash up another one at town. Now me do a video where me see them attack them. There is so many things right now with them little youth here. Where is this coming from? Where is this really coming from? What can be done with the nation to make them pick me and know say I love and love alone? It never used to be like this one time. It never used to be so regular that you hear a school child lose them 3 points when them in an altercation with another child. You will see a pitney use a pencil, yes, do something, or them pen, or they fling one stone or something, but you never hear of so much little kids leaving the land of the living untimely, and a mother is greeted with the most regretful news that they can ever get. The last news where a mother hope for. Or even a father. People, as a nation right now we lost. Me no know what go happen, but anything where go happen needs to happen fast in them school. Yeah. In a St. Mary again we see where school youth stab up them one another. And another set of school youth that you hear me I say? It just crazy. What's wrong with our kids today? Where is all this coming from? Where is the anger coming from? Where this bitterness coming from? Where is this concept that the only way to resolve anything is when we see upon the ground, cover in a red, no longer among the land of the living? People, let me tell you this. We kinda dark. We country is covered with a dark cloud over it. I wanna see when it start affect the kids them. No telling what next, me people. Believe. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You don't have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody now have to tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.